So here you can see a person moving with a local boat here. So these are all paddy fields covered with water.
Namaskaram, Sugamano. It's the 7th of August and it's been raining since probably like last night, and it's been raining very heavily. And from our house we could see that the paddy fields near our house, they're all flooded. So Arjun actually सुबह जाके आ चुका है उस तरफ जहाँ पे water थोड़ा बढ़ रहा था. So I thought I'll also go and just check what is happening and how's the water level rising, because in case अगर यहाँ पे थोड़ा और पानी बढ़ गया तो then we won't be able to even get out of the house. So yeah, that's what we're going to just check out right now. Arjun's going to lead us. And yeah, like before we go ahead and do that, just a word of caution: if you guys are anywhere near where monsoon is too heavy, or if there is any sort of danger or anything, just please stay home and follow all kinds of government guidelines. And with that, let's go.
So here you can see a person moving with a local boat here. So these are all paddy fields covered with water. Yeah, so he is trying to do some fishing over here. Okay, so what you see over there, it's not a river, but it's just the water has come up. The nearby river has overflowed because of very heavy rain and all these nearby. So all these are paddy fields here. So water has come up to a very high level. So if you observe all the nearby road, which is just behind me, I'm not sure whether you guys can clearly see it, but the water has almost reached the same level of the road and it's going to get submerged. So all the people staying there are really tensed and are just watching the water level minute by minute. So if I can just show you. So this is the way. So almost everything is flooded, and the government has released a red alert for all these districts, and let's just hope that this is not as severe as the last year. So let's see.
In fact, last time Arjun had sent me clips where I could see the water had come till here, and if you know, this is like काफी elevated land पे हमारा घर है. So the water had come till here means the floods were really scary. So we're hoping ऐसा कुछ इस बार ना हो, but अभी जाके उधर देखते हैं क्या है सीन. Arjun will be leading the way. Slightly drizzling right now. Yep, chalo. So we've got our umbrellas in place. And we hope the rain doesn't come back till we are back home. But yeah, that's about it. There's a stream that is close to our house. So that's the stream near our house. Usually it's not filled with water itne level tak, but because of the rains, the water level has increased. You can see it's all mulch here, and like water has started retaining on the fields. And yeah, I'm always scared to cross this because I have this really bad fear that I will fall. There's a certain way of, like you're supposed to like keep it side to side, the legs, and go. I think I have mastered the art. Let's just hope I cross without falling. And I did it. Where is my husband? He's busy shooting there. He knows the art of crossing this. There you go. He knows how to do it. Okay, let's go. That's not supposed to be the river. Am I right?
That's the paddy fields filled
with water. Yeah, exactly. That's the paddy fields filled with water. That's not supposed to be there. But right now, if you didn't know this area, you would probably mistake it. Sorry. Yeah, you would probably mistake it to be like a proper river. Oh my god. So this is how it looks like. And you know, people are a little worried that if the waters rise a little bit more, they might just start submerging the Kacha road that is there. As you can see, it's pretty much on the road level only. So yeah. So it's raining quite heavily. It's kind of surreal right now actually. Just to see all of this and to feel the rain. Oh my god. So here we are finally at the paddy fields. It's no longer a field, it's actually become a river. Actually I'm going to show you a picture that we took like last week. Arjun and I were here and it was all green, it was all sunny. You couldn't even imagine it being submerged like this, which is what it is right now. All I see right now is just water. In fact, if you see there where I'm pointing, that's supposed to be a road where vehicles fly, obviously. And right now it's all under the water. It's all submerged. So that's how it is. What Arjun was telling me when he met a couple of people from here is that people are a little worried that the water might just enter, you know, the homes if the levels rise up. So in fact, when Arjun came in the morning, he came around like 11ish, 12ish, and it wasn't this flooded. You could see the road, it wasn't that high. And in just a matter of few hours, like it's what, like it's right now 1:30ish. So in another like 1.5 hours, the water has risen so much that the road is absolutely gone. So it's kind of surreal to see all of this with my own eyes. You know, I've always read about it. Obviously, being a journalist, I have covered it like for digital media and all. And you see those pictures and you see those videos, and you can't really place yourself in such a situation. So right now, seeing all of this is a bit surreal, a bit scary. So we're just hoping that it doesn't, you know, increase after this and things go back to normal as soon as they can. But right now, here we are at the paddy fields.
I don't know whether it's a coincidence or not, because last year also on the exact same date it was flooded, 7th of August, and it remained for almost 4 days and it created a lot of havoc. So we are just hoping that this time it doesn't happen that much. People are still waiting there, just taking the water. You know, you can see a lorry. I'm not sure whether you can see that. A lorry is crossing through the road. So yeah, birds are flying here and there. But yeah, so coming back to the point, so we're just hoping that this time it doesn't happen that way. And the government has released guidelines for the people. So what happened last time was people were not expecting this much amount of water to come out, and they kept waiting. So they kept waiting in the house, and later that caused an issue. So this time the government has issued guidelines and asked people to make, you know, proper stock of the food items and just prepare a backup. So in case the water comes into the house, just be ready to go out, you know, go out of the house and plan a place, because now all of you know that we are in a pandemic and we do not have that kind of places to stay together. So always better to find some relatives house or somebody king's house where you can stay. So അതുപോലെ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ തന്നെ ഗവൺമെന്റ് എന്താ പറഞ്ഞ വെച്ചാൽ കുറച്ച് കെയർഫുൾ ആയിരിക്കും ഇപ്രാവശ്യം. കുറച്ച് ഫുഡ് ഐറ്റംസിൻ്റെ വീട്ടിൽ സ്റ്റോക്ക് ആക്കി വെക്കും. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ വെള്ളം ഫുള്ള് കയറുന്നവരെ കാത്തു വെക്കാണ്ട് കുറച്ച് അതിന് മുന്നേ തന്നെ നമ്മളെ ബാക്കപ്പ് ആയിട്ട് ഒരു വേറെ സ്ഥലം കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക. സോ even the news today also, there has been landslides in a lot of places in Kerala. So NDRF is in action. A lot of people are trying. So let's hope so that this water doesn't rise more than this level. So now it is rising. Let's see it doesn't rise and it goes down by tomorrow. That is all what we can do. So just as we were speaking, the water levels has risen again. So after we came, the water levels has risen again.
Yeah. So that is actually scary to actually see it with your own eyes. I was
Yeah.
telling him like a couple of days ago कि मैंने अभी तक केरला monsoon नहीं देखा, मुझे enjoy करना है. So I mean Kerala monsoons are beautiful, but they're a bit scary as well.
Yeah. So this is the scariest part.
Yeah. So I just hope कि there is वो scary part आए ही ना, and only the beautiful part should remain.
Yeah.
That's our hope. And wherever you are, we hope you're safe. And follow the government guidelines, stock up your grocery items.
Yeah. Wherever you are, please stay indoors if you are affected by monsoon. But make sure that you have the necessary food items, just like she told. And also, please follow the government guidelines. The government is giving out guidelines every single day. And
You can follow Pinarayi Vijayan's Twitter account. He sort of gives you all kinds of alerts and everything. So that's something like that's the starting point.
yeah,
that you
he's
can
in
follow.
Twitter, he's in Instagram, everywhere, in Facebook. So every day he releases notes, and please make sure that you follow him, and follow, in fact, every government official, so that you get the updated information. And please stay indoors so that
Yeah.
your life is safe and everyone's life is safe.
And we'll see you very soon. Take care.
Yeah, lots of love.
Pinnakanam. One last message before we go. So we've come back from the paddy fields, which are already flooded, and it's raining right now. And my father-in-law just informed us that the police and the government have issued newer guidelines because the floods are expected to intensify. So they've asked people, whoever is living in areas which can be affected by the flood, to perhaps move to safer shelters, to move to higher grounds before the flood comes in. So our suggestion would be, if you're living in such an area, then definitely do follow the guidelines. And we will also be putting out a list of all the helpline numbers and the handles of government authorities and officials that you can refer to in the description box below, so that in case you need help, or if any of your kin or relatives or friends need help, you can always refer to that list and reach out to the concerned authorities as soon as you can. So that's there. You could also follow the list on our Instagram handle, which is @Avadhanavil. We'll be putting out the same list there as well for easy reference. We will also be updating the space with more information regarding the flood situation, what we see is happening around us at least. So, follow the space, subscribe to the channel, and share this video if you like. Share this video if it's been useful for you in any way, so that we can spread awareness as much as we can to all the people who might need our help, or who might need to know, the information. So yeah, that's what you can do, and that's what we'll be hoping, that you guys are safe. So don't panic, stay safe, and Pinnakanam.